Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a smartwatch, GPS series calling smartwatch from Reflex Active. This one has an altimeter, compass, barometer, make calls and receive calls, messages and socials, heart rate, IP68 water resistant. What else it says in here? Sports modes, music control, multiple dials, calorie tracking, camera control, women's health, sleep analysis, breathe exercises, hydration reminders, watch locator, and weather updates. So on this side you can see the different types of dials you can change to it, and on the back, case size 50 millimeters, up to 4 days battery life, touchscreen, navigation, rapid charging, and all these goodies. So yeah, let's go ahead and take it out of the box. So this is quite serious. It has this type of charging with 4 pins, USB-A, and yeah, Reflex Active in there. Really good quality strap. On the back, that's what you have. This can still be removed. And yeah, that's how it is. 2 buttons on the side, speaker in there, probably microphone in here. So yeah, let's here, boom, done. So let's see, press and hold this, and it's on. Wow, and it looks good, I have to say. The screen is quite nice. Let's just put it on, and plenty of space in there, very comfortable, pretty much the same size as my Galaxy Watch 7, Watch Ultra, sorry. And yeah, let's see. So that's in there. Sports, this will take you straight into sports. Oh, I'm really liking this. Really nice. Plenty of sports to choose from. I've accidentally pressed on one. Let's see how we can terminate it. Really nice and sharp and clear. Very clean screen. Very nice to look at. So let me go back, and then from the top down, very nice and big and clear to see. Let's just go into settings quickly. So you have Find My Phone, brightness. It's so annoying this time out. Let me see if I can find that. Where is it? Sorry, let me take it off my hand. I find it a bit easier like this. So, brightness, you can only adjust it manually from what I can see. Find My Phone, screen on, so you can increase this. Watch faces, we can choose between all the watch faces they have. That looks pretty cool. Sorry, let's go back in settings. Menu view. Wow, so you can even have it like that, the way I kind of like it. We'll look at the menu later. Reset call, vibration intensity, calculator, pretty nice calculator, do not disturb mode, power saving, audio setup, health monitoring, switch settings, restart, reset, system. Very nice, I really like this. And then let's see if we go down, that's where you have your notifications. In here you have the dial pad for telephone, your steps, your heart rating, whatever is that, sleep data, sports, and you can add more an alarm. If we go all the way to this side, you can see all the apps installed, and they do come up like this. That's pretty cool. I really like that. And yeah, that's the dial, music. You can control your music. No, this is really cool. I'm liking it. Let's just pair it with the phone and see what application is this actually using. Let's see. So you can even connect it with Strava, this one. It is compatible with Strava or with the Reflex Active app. Now, I've seen they have two different apps. I'm gonna try and pair it with the Reflex Active Red. I'm not too sure if it will pair with this, but let's see. One thing I haven't seen is always on display. I don't think it has always on display. Yeah, so you probably need the other app. Okay, so what you do in the app, you just go and connect smart device, and then it's going to show Series 43 and the MAC address, of course. Code on the watch, so you have to type this code 294820, and then allow using the app, pair, allow, blah blah, and it's synchronizing data. And then it's going to ask you access to your contacts. Then it says assisted GPS, and it does this, and it's updating. Very interesting. Okay, so then it's going to just show on the main page. It shows like this. It shows the watch that is paired with, the battery on the watch, steps. Let me just quickly go and walk a bit and see if it's measuring some steps. Currently it's doing some GPS updating on the watch, as you can see, so I can't really see. But anyways, sleep, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, weight, and all that kind of stuff. You can edit, add more cards or remove them. In the other one you have running, walking, hiking, cycling, cross, which looks like this, and probably when you start it, it's going to locate you on the map, and so on. In here you have based on months, days, how many calories you've burned. On the next one, watch faces, so you can change them from here. And you can even edit some of them. I think it's only one. And then in settings, you have your profile, last sync, forget the smart device, you can remove it, smart device settings, activity, wellness, app setting, notification, weather, connect to Apple Health as well, which is quite cool. So it works with that. Yeah, I'm impressed, I have to say. Set daily goals in here in activity and wellness. What else? Yeah, you can add more in here, like device settings, find my smart device, camera shutter. So this one will actually use your camera if you allow it. Do not disturb, smart wake up. So I guess quite a few really nice features in here, you know. Firmware upgrade, let's see if it's any firmware to upgrade. It says this is the latest firmware version. And yeah guys, I think that's it with this. I just want to quickly show you, do a quick test. So we're gonna go and do a heart measuring on that, and also I'm gonna do one on my Samsung Ultra watch. So let's just start that one, and then this one. I think it's already measuring that one. That measures quite fast. .95, 93, so pretty close. So yeah, there you have it guys. I do like it. Obviously you can change this smart like faces like that as well. Sporty one, really nice. And